students, welcome to a very exciting lesson. Today we are diving deep into the world of synonyms and antonyms. By the end of this video, you shall have a solid understanding of how to use them effectively in your writing as well as speech. Let's begin with synonyms. What are synonyms? Synonyms are the words which carry same or similar meanings. They are like different flavors of the same ice cream, slightly different but all delicious. Let's see a few examples. Happy has a synonym joyful. Sad has a synonym unhappy. Smart, intelligent. Now let's focus on one word. Like the word happy has various synonyms like joyful, cheerful, content and delightful. While all these words carry slightly different nuances, but they all convey a similar feeling of happiness. Usage of synonyms makes your writing richer and more engaging. Let's talk about antonyms. What are antonyms? They are the words which have opposite meanings. They are like yin to the yang. They provide balance in our language. Let's look at a few examples. Love is the antonym of hate. High is the antonym of low. And fast to slow. Understanding and using them effectively in our language helps us create contrast and emphasize our points effectively in our writing. Let's put our understanding of antonyms and synonyms into practice. Imagine you want to write an essay and avoid repetition. Instead of using the word important multiple times, use its synonyms: vital, crucial, or significant. It not only avoids redundancy but also makes your language more dynamic. On the contrary, if you want to highlight contrast in your essay, if you want to discuss pros and cons of a particular topic, antonyms are your best friend. Use pairs like advantages and disadvantages to highlight the contrasting ideas. Hey curious brains, now that you have understood what are antonyms and synonyms, come let's test your brains. Let's have a small quiz. And your first question is, what are the synonyms of difficult? The options are these. Yes, the answers are challenging, tough and tedious. Now let's move to the next question. What are the synonyms of beautiful? The options are here. The answers are pretty and handsome. Absolutely right. Let's move to the next question. Give the antonym of bright. The options are these. Absolutely right. The answer is dull. Now let's move to the next question. The next question is, give the antonym of quiet. The options are these. Yes, the answer is loud. Now let's move to the next question. Great job! You have learned to identify and use antonyms and synonyms to make your writing and speech more effective. Now we have a task for you. You have been given two sets of words to which you have to provide synonyms and antonyms. Remember, expanding your vocabulary with antonyms and synonyms not only enhances your communication skills, but it also makes your language more precise and accurate. Thanks for joining us today. Keep exploring, keep learning, and see you in the next video.